Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And as you requested, we are going to pair it with a iPhone. Let's see if this smartwatch works with iPhone. And of course, we are still going to use the Mi Fitness app. But we are going to download it on the iOS App Store. Okay? Previously, we downloaded the Mi Fitness app on Android smartphone. And pairing is very easy and it works okay with the Android smartphone. Very stable. So let's see if this Redmi Watch 5 Lite will work with the iPhone. And let's see if we can install it easily and if it's stable, the connectivity. Okay? So if you are interested to see if the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch works with your iPhone, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking this video, share, and subscribing to our channel. Okay, so let's begin and install the Mi Fitness app on our iPhone. So we have here our iPhone. So let's search the Mi Fitness application. So just search Mi Fitness. So we have here the Mi Fitness app. As you can see, we do have here some positive reviews. So let's download it. Let's start. So health and fitness. So it's now downloading, as you can see here. So let's wait for it to finish downloading, and of course install in our iPhone. Okay, so we are finished with our downloads and it's already installed here in our iPhone. Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear Lite. So let's open the app. Okay, as you can see here, it is asking to activate or open our Bluetooth connectivity. So let's tap on OK. Then start. Take photos. So we have here some permissions. Then we'll grant this. You don't need to enroll in the user experience program. So we'll agree. We'll pick our region here. In my case, I'm going to use the Philippines. Okay, then next, and we have here the UI of our Mi Fitness app. We have health, workout, device, and profile. So let's tap on the device section. Mi Fitness would like to use Bluetooth for new connections. Okay, so we'll set it. Alright, so it has been set. So before we pair our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, so this one, it's already connected to a new smartphone or to another smartphone. So we'll set it again, the system, and connect new phone. Okay, so we have here the QR code. So tap on Add Device. The feature requires signing into Xiaomi account. Okay, we will sign up again for the account, or just we'll use our Apple account or Google account. Let's see. We have successfully signed in to the Mi Fitness application. We use our phone number, and now we do have here our first permission. Mi Fitness would like to send you notifications, so we'll allow this one. And we have here another permission. Allow Mi Fitness to use your location. So we'll allow once. Then would like to use Bluetooth for new connections. Okay, close. Then turn on sync. Okay. Then let's tap on add device. Let's see. Turn on Bluetooth first. After we activated the Bluetooth connectivity, as you can see here, we do have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So to connect to the smartwatch, tap on Redmi Watch 5 Lite, Then we will follow this one. Choose Redmi Watch 5 Lite in the settings. Okay. As you can see here, we do have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So let's connect with this one. Okay, then pair. So let's go back to our app. Let's see if we can connect. Okay, so let's pair. Let's see. We'll allow it. Okay. And we are connected successfully here. Okay, so let's resume. We'll skip this one first. And let's see if we can resume with this one for synchronization. Resume. Next. Done. And later for the update. Got it. And let's sync. Okay, so I guess we are now connected to the Mi Fitness app with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And as you can see here, we have successfully paired it with our smartwatch. And so far, I guess it is compatible. So we'll set some of the permissions here and other settings for the wearable. Okay. Now that we have successfully paired our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch with the Mi Fitness application on our iPhone, let's check some of the settings for the wearable. So as you can see here, we do have notifications and calls. Let's check it out. Let's activate here the permission. Wake screen. You can activate some of the apps here. So we'll pick Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messages. Go back. For incoming calls, show contact information. Okay, we have here Mi Fitness would like to access your contacts. Okay. And seems like we don't have a quick reply support here, unlike on the Android platform. So we have an update for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite later. Fitness and health, heart rate. Okay, we'll not change the settings here. We have here the app, so we have the weather. You can also activate it here. Alarm, world clock. You can also add your own time if you like. What else do we have here? We have favorite contacts, system settings. You can rearrange the widgets here if you like. Sort apps. Okay, you can remove some of the apps here. You can also remove the Alexa or add the Alexa. Connect to a new phone. What else do we have here? And additional settings. Firmware updates. So I guess that's it for the basic setup of our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch with our iPhone or iOS platform. And so far, I guess it is working. And there are some features that is not available. For example, we don't have the quick reply here. Unlike on the Android platform that we do have a quick reply options for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite on iPhone, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe.